Nhất xa sẽ hơi chính em mà đem cái chính nhập.
Hằng nghe, lại phim ngay sẽ.
Bà có bài bên mình nghe. Nrei ti bro chính em ngin hap sunyo kitang itek pop. Bagi kamba baha jungi.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambat penjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kumishbinta jong ka jingra ki Kynmaw Burom yagas ngi yo Jylla ka balai khandai jong ka Mizoram ka Sngi Mizo Association bat ka Mizo Student Union klapin long ka blood donation camp haka arphotu urampang arajar apun riu ha Mizoram House Grief Colony Shillong. Las dang ka program da ka jingalang play padba ka balingkod blapenya duba Ricky Rinthley present ka Sngi Mizo Association Shillong haka bolapen pau ya ka jinan kam ban rakhi ka Sngi Jylla Kabalai khandai jong ka Mizoram om tang kum ka jing rakhe hendai kum ka Sngi ka bala IT ka jing shakri bar ka jing ai biang shake imlang salang Dr. Lal Den Puya medical superintendent jong ka MCH hospital Sning ula I min sim ya bro kinang Mizo bat ong ba ka jing kala jong ka jai bin ri Mizo ka yai mi ne ka wei ka Sngi sha ka wei pan namal min shwa la jutip ki kum kinong krai khli ha ka history mental tip ki kum kinong pin im jing im Kajing itu kebaya hapura, bagai kamu ke badan buram, bat ais nam hakum kini kesngi kebangsan, bat kebakerpang. Dr. Deb Dota Bhattacharya ke blood bank ni Grims mulai dan lang. Kumbasis pak ngun AA kisam lakin teba cenderang lawan banyak shimbenta syakan ke kam.
New sign nang doni ka mo ko, local new sign nang doni ha. Kete ka tak he ron ti. Physical 62 is last, okay? No problem. Is that line there? How much? 16. Okay, come. 16.
From the blood banks. But today being the occasion of Mizoram State Day, this initiative has been taken by all those concerned. And if you don't mind, I'll continue with Mizo since Sir is already mentioned about
that it would be much more meaningful. So that's how we did this. So this program, actually it's done by the Mizo Student Union in collaboration with the Young Mizo Association. Actually both are almost all the same, you know. So we are very grateful to Negrims, you know, for accepting our invitation. Yeah, thank you very much.
My name is Joseph Silo, and I'm the Vice President of Mizo Student Union. And today, as we observe the 39th Mizoram State Day, the Mizo Student Union, with the collaboration with the Young Mizo Association Shillong, we have conducted this blood donation camp, and we have started around 11, and we might end soon, like at around 4, and like around 64 students have donated blood so far.
Had a long day, Feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.